Hello, my friends. It's Mary here again, bringing you my radishes and carrots roasted in the oven. Well, actually, the air fryer. As you can see, I got carrot chips. I got whole radishes. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the ends, top and bottom off the radishes, to make sure there's no bad spots on it. Just like that. And we're going to fast forward. Now I'm cutting them in half. This way everything will cook equally that I'm putting in this. And as I said, I'm going to be putting this in my air fryer. I try not to use the oven if I can. It saves on the electric bill. So I use my small appliances instead a lot of times. I hope everybody's doing good today. And yes, I will be washing these vegetables, by the way. Now I'm going to get my carrots and I'm going to check them. Make sure there's no bad spots on them. The carrots are past due, but they're fresh. They're still good. I'm not going to throw them out. I'm going to eat them. So I think I might pickle some of them. And you can see I washed them and now I'm pat drying them. And then I'm going to transfer them to the other. So I can put the oil and seasonings on them. It's very easy to make. The only thing I would tell y'all to do different than I did was cook it at the bottom of the air fryer if you got one like mine. I don't know about y'all, but I kind of like my vegetables with just a little bite to them. So that's how I cook mine. And adding my favorite 14 spices. They ought to pay me for advertising for them, huh? And my adobo. Very little of that. The recipe called for soy sauce, but I think there's enough carbs here to not have the soy sauce. Almost forgot my pepper. I'll be putting that on in a minute here. So you just mix them around and try to straighten them out as best you can. I'm really digging this Keto. I mean, I'm getting the carbs that I'm supposed to get for my brain. I'm not going full blown out keto like some of these people where they make themselves really sick. I'm making sure that I'm getting what my doctor tells me I need to get in my system. So, and I'm losing weight. I am a, what do you call it, keto whatever it is, because I am losing weight rapidly. Yeah, just straighten them out. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't show it, but I do turn them one time. And what I actually do is I got another rack with oil. I put that rack on top and just turn it over. And they're turned. Smart, huh? And then I just wipe off that foil that it was on, and I use it for the next thing that I'm going to put in here. But see, I had it in the top rack. Make sure you put it on the bottom rack. And I cooked it on 400 for 25 minutes. I turned it at 13 minutes and put it back in. But you gotta turn them or they'll turn black on you. And here's how they came out. I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. Wait to the end. Little surprise. Mandy's wanting to say hi to y'all. I know Aunt Claire likes seeing Mandy. Hi, Aunt Claire. Love you, girl. Sorry it was so short, Aunt Claire. Alright, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Remember, put God first. And love your family. You only have them so long. Love them. Love you all. Please leave me a message. I really and truly love it. And make sure you click that like, because I need those views. Really helping the girl out when you give those views, and share me out. Bye. Talk to you later.